Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your hair mask using rice, fenugreek and hibiscus flower. I made a video last time showing two different ways of how to make rice water, and here is the leftover ingredients which I'll be using for the hair mask. Just as I wrote in my previous video, nothing goes to waste. Now put the mixture into the blender and blend till you get a smooth paste. After blending, use a cheesecloth to squeeze out the liquid. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use a strainer to filter or to strain it out. When using a strainer, you will have to strain it multiple times to eliminate as much particles as possible. Believe me, you don't want any particles in your hair after washing away the mask. So this is what we want: a creamy slimy extract out of rice, fenugreek seed and hibiscus flower. Proceed by adding some honey, almond oil and a few drops of essential oil. Mix together and it is ready to use. You can use any oil of your choice or any essential oil. For the application process, start by applying rice water with hibiscus flower as the pre-poo treatment. Make sure to massage it into the scalp. Pre-poo is a short term for pre-shampoo, and it is a step that some people are not familiar with, yet it can do wonders for restoring healthy hair. This process is very important. It helps to detangle the hair and also provides a protective layer because shampooing can strip moisture from the hair. Detangle the hair with your fingers and cover it to sit for 20 minutes before shampooing. After washing, our hair feels very soft already, and now I'll start applying the hair mask. Rice strengthens the root, adds shine and make it look smooth and silky. Rice can also be quite damaging to the hair due to the amount of protein that the water absorbs, causing protein overload. This means where there is too much protein and not enough moisture, which can cause the hair to feel and look dry and brittle. So be careful if you are protein sensitive and not to overuse it. Fenugreek also contains a lot of protein. Protein treatments boost the hair with a variety of nutrients and helps to reconstruct and strengthen the base of your hair. I apply the mask all over the hair, making sure every strand is coated with the mask and also soaked into the scalp. I do rice mask once a month whenever I make my rice water. I make it in different ways and I will show you guys in my upcoming videos. After applying the hair mask, cover with a plastic cap and let it sit for 45 minutes and then rinse it out with water. After rinsing, I apply my oil, Scandal leave-in conditioner and then put it into a protective hairstyle. Alright guys, I will end this video here. A big thanks to everyone for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to stay safe and I will see you all in my next video. Peace.